years.
Transport systems on board ships have been largely neglected as being important by engineers. However, I think if we try to design such a modern vessel, like the Aurora Borealis, then we also have to tackle the question of how to optimize the transport of all goods on this drilling vessel, the multi-purpose research vessel, and icebreaker.
Einfach dazu, dass wir uns jetzt diese Aufgabe stellen.
For us, it is important to note that in science operations, we are not dealing solely with drilling, but also have to focus on the regular scientific workflow on the vessel that should be effectively supported by an efficient transport system for materials and samples. This is quite a diverse set of conditions. Transport sizes vary between samples in the millimeter range to dangerous goods and heavy tools and gear that needs to be transported both on and below deck. We are currently finding new solutions, which is the reason why we contracted an additional expert who has substantial industry experience in transport systems. We try to utilize as much as possible readily available solutions from general industrial solutions, and then transfer these to the maritime sector. Visit of the Logistics Working Group on the Polarstern. This is planned to review and update the main focus points for this part of the work. To optimally organize the supply of crew and scientists on board the Aurora Borealis for months, which is comparable to a small city. Back to the Hamburg Ship Model Basin. The idea and the design of the vessel are the main inputs from the German side into the project. These works are funded by the German Ministry for Education and Research, but the international scientific community is also following the development of the Aurora Borealis. 15 partners from 10 countries have founded the European Research Icebreaker Consortium, or ERICON, and are funded by the European Commission to generate the frameworks for the construction and operation of the vessel. The ultimate aim is to enable scientists from many nations to use Aurora Borealis.
In some cases, these areas actually are crucial for understanding the future of climates of the planet itself, because they're very important areas triggering global circulation, and they're very important to understand our past climate. And the Aurora Borealis will be really a good opportunity for all countries to work together and sharing not only the scientific issue, but also sharing the budget, the logistical effort with a good combination, with a good synergy with the national infrastructure.
The model tests have been finished successfully. Construction of the Aurora Borealis begins in 2012 and will be completed 2 years later, according to the current planning. The ship will decisively help to gain new insights into the history, the climatic development, and the present-day environment of the polar regions.